Sabi ko, may insure yung share ng government na tama. Pangalawa, may insure na walang dayaan. Ano po ang ginagawa nila at saka ginawa nila? Present. Yun lang po.
Ano po yung system in place, in short, sabi
po,
Mr. Cordero, to ensure na hindi po nalulugi yung share ng gobyerno, na pupunta po yung tamang share sa ating pamalaan? Yun po yung question ni Mr. Cordero.
Mr. Senator, I think, as I had mentioned, with the new system that we are using, with the new audit system that we are using, we have almost doubled our revenues pumasok po sa PAGCOR from 2022 to 2023 alone. It is an increase of 85% po.
From the previous administration?
Opo, 2022 po ang kinita lang ng PIGO sa PAGCOR, ang pumasok po na license fees, Mr. Senator, 12,328,000,000.
Nung sa inyo?
In my incumbency po, 21 billion.
Pero how would we know kung dapat more than 21 billion pa dapat?
Ay, di. Yun nga po. Because we're using now a new audit system.
Alam ko nga po.
Opo.
Alam ko nga po. Sige, pag malaki niyo po yung 21 billion, well and
Opo.
good. Thank you. Pero paano namin malaman na hindi lang dapat 21 billion?
Opo.
For all we know, dapat 51 billion ang kinita.
Pwedeng 60 billion.
Pwedeng 60.
Opo.
So how would we know na correct na talaga yung amount na 21 billion? Yun po yung sinasabi
Ang
niya.
basis na lang po dyan, yung software na ginagamit natin, so far, sa nakikita ko po, at sabi ko nga naman po hindi naman po ako nagmamarunong at hindi naman po tayo IT expert, pero sa nakikita nyo sa reports na na-generate ng audit system, 95 to 97% po ng transactions ay nakakapture. May errors po na mga 1 or 2%. So, within that range, Mr. Senator, I can say that the current software, by the way, the software that we're using now, I did not purchase that, Mr. Senator. It was purchased by the last administration. Kaya lang po, tinututukan po natin at we are requiring them talaga to deliver what they can deliver. So, base na lang po sa rini-report ng audit team na gano'n na nakaka-capture at base na rin po sa halos 100% improvement sa dati, yun na lang po ang pinagbabasya.
Ganito lang po gagawin natin, like what I did with PCSO.
Yes, sir.
I will ask DICT and CICC to inspect, monitor, investigate, and then tingnan yung whole system ninyo.
Tama po.
Vulnerability noon at kung tama ba yung ginagawa ng system niya para mabigay yung tamang share ng government. Tulad sinasabi ni Mr. Cordero.
Yes, sir.
So, I will ask DICT, and I would like you to open your records computer system sa DICT doon sa gagawin ng investigation.
I will definitely subscribe to your suggestion, Mr. Senator, and umasa po kayo. I lead on the basis of transparency. Pwede pong mag-inspection anytime ang DICT. Okay. Pwede pong mag-inspection anytime ang DICT. Kasi ang mangyayari lang po magtuturoan po tayo. Sabi ko nga, I'm not an IT expert. So, I subscribe to that. And
Yes.
Mr. Senator, will they contact us or do I contact DICT?
We will contact DICT, and then DICT will contact you.
Yes, sir.
To our COMSEC.
Yes, sir.
Para doon na po sa gagawin nilang pagtitingin ng computer system nyo.
Asahan ko po, Senator, yung pagtawag
Maging
nila sa
yung
amin.
yung sa PIGO.
Both PIGO po and POGO.
And POGO.
Yes, sir.
Lahat.
Yes,
lahat.
sir.
You have to open your
Ang
books
POGO
as well.
po, ang Commission on Audit po, mayroong special team na create para lang po tutukan ng POGO. Kasi po,
yung DICT more on the system.
yes, sir.
Titingnan nila yung computer system
Yes, sir.
na ginagamit, especially sa PIGO. Okay.
Salamat po, Senator.
To the resource persons from the PNP, I'm sorry, please submit updates na lang regarding the case of Hector Manzanilla Jr. to the committee. Pasensya na. Marami tayong na-cover ngayon na topics. Sasabihin nyo na lang po. And then we will pass that on to PAGCOR. Okay. And to our resource person here, due to the lack of material time, Resource persons invited today are directed to submit their position papers or other documents to the committee. Kayo po, kung meron pa kayong mga karagdagang katanungan, pakisubmit na lamang po.
Sir, I have provided you tests for them for PAGCOR. Sana ibigay niyo po sa kanila and give them 24 hours to solve.
This is what I'll do, Mr. Cordero. Isasubmit ko po ito sa DICT. Isasubmit ko ito sa experts.
Pakibigay po sa PAGCOR po. Yung exam po yan eh. Kasi I prepared 2 exams to prove their competency as an operator.
You have your IT experts
as a
here,
regulator.
Mr. Chairman?
I'm sorry, Senator.
Sir, hindi kailangan ng IT expert.
Eh,
Kailangan.
Okay, sige.
Mr.
Ganito
Senator-
gagawin natin, Mr. Chair.
Yes, sir.
I'll submit you a copy para mapagbigyan lang itong si Mr. Cordero. I'll give you these questionnaires that he has, and then come back to us by tomorrow. Simple lang itong mga answers. Although ako, hindi ko masasagot to. Mahirapan ako dahil hindi naman ako technical. Wala ako alam sa gaming. So, submit this back to us.
As soon as I get back to the office, I will call the head of IT and give it to him so that as soon as masagot po niya, we will send it back to you through the COMSEC.
Sir, unless kung ito pa'y may kinalaman pa sa inyong problema, hahaba po tayo. Ang dami ko pa pong gagawin. So, otherwise, if you're willing to stay here until 6 o'clock in the evening, it's okay with me.
Sir, isang item lang, sir. Short. 1 minute lang.
Please direct the committee pag
Sir,
kinakausap niyo.
yung-
Don't just raise your hand.
Yes, sir. Yung binigay ko,
Ikaw muna, Mr. Cao, kasi huwad di pa siya salita.
Your Honor, if
Are we
you-
going back and forth na rito? Baka mamaya, gusto niyo, lubusin mo na. Lahat ng katanungan mo, tanungin mo na ngayon.
Yes, just offering po my perspective. If you wish to further inquire of the trustworthiness of officers in PAGCOR, I am willing to provide my perspective po.
Thank you very much. That's why I said, Mr. Cao, to all of you, please submit your position paper para titingnan namin lahat, para hindi na kami magtataasan ng kamay back and forth. Lahat ng mga concerns nila, lahat ng mga issues na pwede ma-erase, submit it to us para sa susunod na hearing, patatawag natin next week, at least napag-aralan namin, nakausap na namin kayo. Kasi hindi pwedeng, ngayon ka darating ngayon, mag-erase ka ng issue, we will go back and forth, matatagalan tayo. Whereas, kung bibigyan nyo kami ng position papers nyo, i-analyze namin, pag-uusapan natin, even I'll invite you in my office, and let's talk about it para ma-condense natin, and then mapag-usapan natin, sa susunod na hearing, mapapabilis tayo. Kasi with this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back and forth tayo, 1 oras sa kanya, 1 oras, 5 oras, wala tayong tatapusin dito. Kasi hindi kayo titigil sa kataas ng kamay. Every time na may sabihin itong isa, sasagot, tataas ang kamay, sasagot, tataas ang kamay, hanggang wala gana accomplish anything. So, gano'n na naman po. Okay, I'm gonna...
clarification kasi may i-clarify ko lang, sir eh. Yung
Yes,
binigay
sir.
ko, sir, exam, hindi exam for IT yun. Exam for managers.
That's why, Mr. Cordero,
Hindi po sa IT.
Mr. Cordero, I'm going to give this to them para for them to answer. By tomorrow, they'll
24
give me
hours.
the answer. And then, submit ka ng position paper for the end time, and then that position paper, pag-aaralan namin, and if necessary, we're gonna invite you to my office, pag-usapan natin, and then we'll schedule another hearing. By then, kompleto na po, na-condense ko na po lahat ng mga issues ninyo, i-erase ko na po, para hindi na ho tayo magbalik-balikan. Sa ngayon kasi, nagbabalik-balikan tayo back and forth. Para sa next meeting, isang buhos na lang yung tanong sa kanila, and then kung may kunting side comments kayo sa kayo magsalita. Okay?
Sir, yung isang kwan pa.
Isa
Yung
naman.
second kwan. Sir, yung sa DICT.
Okay.
Sir, yung sa DICT, baka hindi po masagot ng DCIT yun. I am offering myself, kaya ko pong i-analyze yung kanilang system.
Kaya nga, Mr. Cordero, thank you very much. Yeah, I accept. Thank you. I appreciate that. You, and then kung meron ka pang mai-recommend na third-party IT expert na para i-corroborate yung sinasabi mo, para mas matibay yung case natin against PAGCOR kung meron mang issue against them.
Sir, madali na may prove yan. Just give me the system architecture nung kanilang system. I can already prove. Yun lang ho, system architecture.
The system architecture?
Yes, of the software.
Okay. Our system architecture, Mr. Chairman, I'll thank you.
As I said, Mr. Senator, I will consult my IT head and I will give it to him. Opo.
System architecture, may sinasabi siya.
Ay, hinihingi po niya eh. So,
They should not give it to you.
Yun
Mr.
nga,
Cordero,
to-
sa amin ibibigay yon. And then once na binigay sa amin, kami po ang magpapakita sa inyo, imbitahan namin kayo para tingnan nyo. Hindi pwedeng diretso ang magbibigayan. So, Mr. System Architecture,
We will-
can you submit it to us?
Yes, sir. As I said, as soon as I get back to the office, I will call the head of IT, gather everything that you have requested us to submit, and as soon as it is put together, we will gladly submit it to your
Mr.
office.
Mr. Cordero, I'm no longer, I'm
No
not
longer.
going to entertain anymore any questions from you. Please, gagawin nyo lang po, submit nyo na po sa amin today lahat ng mga questions nyo na isasubmit ko. Kasi humihilit ka palagi. Palagi, di ba? Okay naman yon yung architect, ano sinasabi mo?
System architect.
System architect. I-submit mo sa amin right now, today, wag muna kayo umuwi, and then i-submit namin sa PAGCOR para yung PAGCOR submit sa amin, and then we'll talk to you. Is that okay? We'll invite you in our office as a resource person para sa susunod na hearing, lahat kayo isang buhos na lang para hindi tayo magtataasan ng kamay every so often. Gets niyo po? Okay na, sir? Okay. So therefore, this committee is suspended. This hearing suspended.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.